another big name, Energizer. We know this is the one that keeps going and going and going, and they've done exactly that with this exclusive configuration of the 10-piece solar multi-directional disc lights. $49.99 is now the clearance price. This is final quantities on these. When they're gone, that's it. Typically, these lights sell at retail for $8.74 a piece, which would mean 10 of them would cost you $87.40. You're getting them for 40% off at $49.99, and you can pay for them in 3 installments. We've sold over 50,000 of these since they were made available. Nick Antolik is here with us to talk all the details, but really quickly, here are your color choices. We offer them in the stone, or a white, I'm sorry, in the stone, and then the gray, which again is just, you know, a matter of preference. If you've got other light fixtures that you want to try to coordinate with, you can. So first off, let's talk a little bit about what these multi-directional lights do.
They're really great. They're new, and it's my absolute favorite way to style my home. Traditionally, we're talking about lights that shine down, but now today we're talking vertical lighting. These are incredibly bright, like you'd expect from Energizer. 20 lumens of light are coming from those 6 surface mount diode lights up on top. You also have 4 additional lights you don't traditionally see, so you can see them as you approach. But 20 lumens of light is incredibly bright to shine up on your landscape, up on the sides of your house to get that vertical lighting. But the big difference, that Energizer battery inside is going to maintain up to 90% after 8 hours. So that means you're getting true dusk till dawn. You're not going to be disappointed with these lights fading out.
Well, and this is again that uplighting that you can put in all the places that you need extra light. And again, they just keep going, going. When you see that bunny, you know you're getting Energizer quality. To be able to get 10 of these for $49.99, I want you to see the video of Nick's house so that you can see the transformation that you can get. You know, so often we think about the, solar powered lights that are elevated.
That's right.
But when you take the direction of the light from down to up, it makes a huge difference. Look at this.
Yeah, so my house was built in the 1950s, no street lights. Put these out in about 10 minutes. They come charged right out of the box. The landscaping's lit up. You see the fence line. But because you can remove those stakes now, put them on a flat surface, I'm able to enjoy that deck space a little bit more because it really, really just heightens it. So if you think about when you drive past the neighborhood and you see the houses with uplighting, well, that's traditionally hardwired, trenched in, and costs thousands and thousands of dollars. Now you can get that same great look, again, coming with the stake to put it in the ground, put that direction wherever you need, or set it straight on the tabletop.
I love that. So think about this too as functional lighting. These could be, put on the stairs when you're having family and friends over and you want to make sure that those stairs are illuminated. This could be, what sits in like the planters in the front of your house. I know I use them for, decorative displays just to kind of light my planters that I have in the front of my house, and it just gives that beautiful, estate home look. And they're only, again, today, $49.99 for 10 of these. So for about $5 per light, I mean, you really can't beat that. It's a wonderful quality. You can use them in 2 ways, flat like you see there, or with the stakes that are also included.
That's right, and that's what's so awesome is because you're able to kind of angle them in the ground to get that vertical lighting wherever you want it to go. The big difference though is Energizer. So if you've tried solar products in the past and maybe been disappointed that they start bright but then fade away, or one that you have to throw away season after season, these are made with a really, really durable resin. They're gonna sit on your driveway. They're substantial, so if you're using them on tabletop, they'll set down there. Well, you mentioned moving them around, or all the places in your property that don't have electricity, now you can have that light. I've even used these as coasters for parties, moving around from place to place, and it really completely changes the way that you're able to decorate because we're using that vertical lighting.
And where is the solar panel on these?
It's kind of hidden right in there.
This is the other thing. Remember when it used to be a big thing that was attached to the lights.
Of course.
This is so well hidden that you can't even even see where the
It
charging
is
panel
right
is.
inside this huge centerpiece is that solar crystalline panel. Even in an overcast day, it's going to grab the light. But what I love is that these kind of disappear during the day because you're sitting at ground level, so you're not going to see them during the day. But without setting a timer, each and every night you're going to get that glow. And the best part is it's consistent from dusk till dawn, and it looks like it's professionally installed.
They are beautiful. They really are. I love that you can take them with you too. And I'm thinking of getting a set of these for my daughter who just bought a new house.
Oh,
so
great.
now,
That's
you know,
a
we're
wonderful gift.
you know finding all this good stuff that really just makes your house stand out amongst all of the other ones in the neighborhood. So from lining the pathway, again, you can use these flat or stake them into the ground. Just take care if you do stake them when you're cutting the lawn, just to make sure you're careful there. But I love them on the stairs like
Never
this.
before have we been able to do that, where you can set them down on that flat surface. Customers have absolutely loved how it changes the look because, again, we're not shining the light down on the ground. This is going up. And I can tell you, if you are looking for more gifts for your daughter, the only place you can get these Energizer lights is right here at QVC, and that's how you know it's the best quality.
And this is clearance price, so our final quantities are here with you. 94950 is your item number. Again, you're looking at the gray. We have, I'm sorry, is that right?
Two colors, so you got white
the gray
and the gray.
white. Okay. And the stone is not available?
So stone white.
Stone?
And then the that's
stone white.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
got it.
sorry about
Two
that.
colors, no worries. And 94950 is the item number. Nick, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Good to have you here with us. All right. So we offered earlier in the show the Mission Sun Defender unisex hat with the UPF 50 and the